if you want to add weather widget to home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all we have to choose a current weather and forecast. To do that, we have to press our finger on the home screen on any empty space. Now choose widgets, scroll down, and now we gotta find our weather. So here you can see a list of different widgets, some current weather and forecast, or weather and clock. So choose the desired widget and press add. When it's added, you can resize it, make it smaller or bigger. When you're done, tap on it. You'll need to calibrate it, so give all the necessary permissions. Set up your location to make it work correctly. Here is your forecast. Here all the information you may find helpful. Also, if you're gonna hold your finger on this widget and press settings, you'll be able to change the location, choose daily or hourly forecast. You can choose whether to have or not have your background. You can choose the background color. If you have your background, match font settings, light, dark, and basically that's it. When you're satisfied, simply press save. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.